Welcome to Rafiq. In this video I am going to explain about attributes in HTML5 and inserting pictures, inserting audio and inserting video in an HTML5 page. First of all, what is attribute? HTML5 works on default settings. For example, the default color of a page is white and the default text color is black. So if you want to change the default color, suppose I want the color is yellow and the text color is blue, then I must use attributes. Attribute give more power to the text. For example, if I want to change the page color, suppose we have this page. Here you can see the simply background color is white and the text color is black. So if I want to change this text color and the background color, then I must use attribute inside the body tag. Suppose I want the background color is yellow, then inside body busy color equal the color name whatever color I want, and I want the text color is blue. So for that I will write text equal blue. Now save the page and go to browser, reload the page. As here you can see the background color has been changed, even the text color. So if I don't write the attribute, these two, busy color and text, then it will work on the default setting, which is white and black. But if I want my own color, then I must use the attributes. Again, suppose this H1, this is a simple page. This text I want to display at center of the page. Then inside the H1 I can use align equal center. Save the page and reload. As you can see, the text is moved to center position. Suppose I want to change the style of the text, then as you already know, font color is used, font tag is used to change the size and color of a text. So we'll use font tag. Inside font we'll use face equal the style name whatever style you want, suppose Comic Sans. Bracket close. After writing the text, font close. Now save the page open it. As you can see in output, the style has been changed. So this way we can use attribute to give more power to our page. So for attribute definition, you can write, we can use attribute to give more power to the tags. After that comes custom attribute. Custom attributes are mainly used to declare attribute for JavaScript and custom CSS. CSS means cascade style sheet. So about this you will learn in higher classes. To declare a custom attribute, first data is used. Suppose I want to declare a custom attribute in paragraph tag. For that we have to write p data, then the tag name. Suppose my new attribute, then equal the value, then bracket close. After that write something, whatever you want to write, p close. So this way you will declare a custom attribute. To declare a custom attribute, the data keyword is compulsory. You have to write the data keyword. After that you will write the attribute name, then equal to the value. Okay. Then inserting images in a web page. So img tag is used to insert an image in a web page. You can insert JPG, PNG and GIF type of images in a web page. JPG contain 1 million colors. JPG contains 1 million colors and it is the best format for digital photography. It's contain 1 million color and it is the best format for digital photograph. JPG also known as JPEG, which means Joint Photographic Expert Group. Next come PNG. It stands for Portable Network Graphic. It is mainly used to create transparent photograph. And the last one, GIF. It is used to create an animated photo. And it contains only 256 colors. So remember this, in a web page you can insert either JPEG or PNG or GIF type of photograph or photos. From here JPEG is the best format for the photographs. And in image tag there are different kind of attributes. First one is SRC. The full form is source. It specifies the source of the image. Suppose I want to insert a flower picture. So it will be like that. img src equal flower dot, then the extension, whether my image is JPG, PNG or GIF. Suppose my image is JPG, then JPG, bracket close. And remember img is an empty tag, so it doesn't have closing, so it will be img src flower.jpg. The next attribute is alt, ALT. Full form is alternate, and it is used to assign a default file name to the image. Suppose for some reason the image is not displayed on the web page. Maybe the image is deleted from the computer, or maybe the network is slow. Then whatever I will write in alternate, that text will display in place of the image. So how we'll write alternate or alt img src flower.jpg, then we'll write alt equal picture of flower. Then the next attribute is height. It specifies the height of the image. Suppose my image is 300 pixels in height. So we'll write height equal 300. Then come width. Width also we can write either in pixels or in percentage. Suppose my width is 200 equal 200. Then next come border. Border means if I want some lines around the picture, then border. If I don't want any border, I can write simply border equal 0. If I want the border, then border equal 1, 2, 3, whatever. If you want very thin border, then 1. If you want thick border, 4, 5, like that. Okay. Border. This attribute mainly changes the thickness of the border. By default there is no border. Suppose you didn't write the border tag in the image, then it will not display any border. So here suppose I want the most thickest one border, then border, border equal 1. The last one is align. Align means where I want to display the image, the position of the image. Suppose I want to display the image in center position. In align you can write top, middle, bottom, left, right. Suppose I want to display the image in center position, then I will write align equal middle. So this is the basic format of img tag. img src flower.jpg. Flower is the source of the image. Alt picture of flower means if the image is not loaded, it will display picture of flower. Height equal 300, width equal 200, border equal 1, and align equal middle. Now let's see how we'll do it practically. To do that, first we have to copy the address of an image. For that you can go to the folder where you save the photos. Suppose here I will insert this image. So right click on the image, click on open with, choose another app, and select browser. So this is the address of the image. So just copy it. Now go to the HTML code where you are writing here. So we'll write img src equal, we'll paste the address of the image. So my image is located on the D drive in photos folder. Inside photos folder some other folder is there, that way. And suppose if for some reason the image is not display, it should display as picture of lion. So we'll write alt equal picture of lion. Then suppose I want the height as 300. So height equal 300. I want the width as 400. Width equal 400. And I want the border is 3 pixels. Border equal 3. And I want the image in right hand side. For that I will write align equal right. So everything is done. Now close the bracket and save the file. After saving the file, go to browser reload this page. So here you can see the image of the lion. As my image is available on that folder, so you can see the picture. Suppose the image is not available here, or by mistake I wrote a wrong name, then what will happen? For that, suppose I have deleted the bracket part from here, save the image. Now reload. As here you will see picture of lion, this text instead of the picture, because I have written a wrong name which is not present in that folder. That's why it's displaying only picture of lion. So this way you can insert image in a web page. Now let's have an example how we can insert audio files in an web page. To insert audio file, audio tag is used. In audio tag you can insert MP3, WAV and OGG type of files. Means while you are inserting the audio file, you must be careful that your audio file is in these formats: MP3, WAV and OGG. Each software or each recorder uses different format to store the audio files. So while you are recording your audio or song, you must be careful that your format is in this your format is in this. Either it will maybe MP3, WAV or OGG. Inside audio tag you will get this attribute controls. Controls, it will provide an interface where you will get the button play, pause, stop, next, this all. Then loop. Suppose your song is finished, then it will play automatically again if you write the loop attribute. Then autoplay. If you give the autoplay, if you write the autoplay attribute inside the audio, then it will play automatically. When the page will load, it will play automatically the song. Then the next one is muted. Muted means suppose if you don't want to play the sound, if you want to mute the audio, then you can write muted inside the audio tag. So let's have an example how we will. One more attribute is there, which is the most important one, SRC. Means source, means which song I want to play, that one. So let's have an example of audio tag. First we'll go to audio folder and we'll copy the address of an audio file. Click on the file, right click on the file, open bit. You will open the file in a browser so that you will get the exact address, or simply you can drag the file and place it on a browser and you will copy the address. Now come to browser, we'll delete the image now. First you will write audio. Suppose I want to display the controls, I want to display the buttons, then you will write controls. Then controls equal controls. Then here audio will be closed. Inside that tag you will write source src equal, you will paste the URL or address which you copied. Here the last tag is .mp3, means this file is mp3 format. After that you will write type audio /mp3. If your file is OGG, you can write OGG. Now if you want to display some text messages, for that you can write here. For example, this is an audio file. Now save the file, go to browser and reload this page. As you will see, the player here, play button is here, because I have only one song, that's why just play button. Pause next button is not available here. So this way you can add audio to an HTML file. Now suppose I want to play the song automatically, then for that you will write autoplay equal autoplay. As you noticed earlier, I pressed the play button, then only the song is played. Now just reload. Now open the file. It should play the song automatically, but sometimes it may not work. And here you can write loop also, loop equal loop. If you write loop, then if the song finished playing, it will repeat the song again. So this way you can insert an audio file to an HTML file. Next, how to insert video files in a web page. To insert video file, you will use video tag. And inside the video tag you will get this attribute. Controls means if you want to display the button and all, autoplay, loop, muted, then src is needed only, and two more new tag you will get. Two more attribute will get here, height and width, means what will be the size of your video on that page. So these are the attribute of video tag. Again, what type of video you can insert in a web page? You can insert different type of video in the web page. They are MP4, WEBM means web movie, and OGG. This type of videos you can insert it in a web page. Now let's have the example of video tag. First we'll copy the address of a video. For that we'll go to our folder where we have saved videos. Suppose this one. We'll right click, or just we'll drag the video on the web page and we'll copy the address. Now we'll go to the text editor. Here we'll write first video. Video, and how much size I want. Height is the horizontal size of the video. Suppose I want the height as 360, and width I want 640. Then controls I want, and I want the poster also. Poster, actually it will display the thumbnail of the video. As you can see on YouTube, before watching the video only you can see one picture. It do these things. You will get the thumbnail of the video. Then we'll write source of the video. Source src equal, will paste the tag here. Then type video mp4 and bracket close. And you can write some text. Suppose if the video is not loaded, so it will display, sorry, the video file is not supported by your browser. So we have done. Now save the page, file, save, go to browser and reload the page. As here you will see the thumbnail of the video here. Now if I touch on the play button, the video will be played. And these are the controls: play, pause button, mute button, and this full screen. As these controls you will get in YouTube also, so in HTML5 also you will get these controls: play, pause, mute, unmute. And if you have more videos, or suppose you have a playlist, then you will get the next and previous button also. So for today's video, this much only. See you in next video. Till then, take care and bye.